Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to my Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen.
Let's draw a Pareto chart with these data. The left-hand column shows the process inputs, which are, in this case, those factors affecting the checking time in the retail. This investigation may be obtained from the customer's perspective after interview or survey, or from data obtained from cause and effect diagram. Let's draw a Pareto chart. For that, let's click on the Start, click the Quality Tools, and click the Pareto chart. Here we see a window where we can select the defects and frequencies. In the defects or attribute data, please select the process inputs. And in frequencies, select the total score. We have two options down here. Combine remaining defects into one category after this percentage, which is set at 95%, and do not combine. You can select either of these. If you have long process inputs, then it's always better to select combine remaining defects into one category. We have just 10 process inputs here, so in this case, we select do not combine. Click on OK. A Pareto chart appears. Let's select a crosshair. Here we see that the total number of retail operators is accounting for 20% of the total score. Total number of retail operators and the computerized system is accounting for about 40% of the overall score. Moving forward, we see that these 5 variables are accounting for 80% of the total score. These 5 factors are total number of retail operators, computerized system, total number of checking zones, usage of cards and other way for payment, and the quality of the computerized system. We can draw the Pareto chart in the same way in Minitab 2019. For that, we click on the Start and then Quality Tools, Pareto chart, and then by similar process, we select process input in defects, total score in frequencies, do not combine, we click the do not combine tab, and we click the OK button. In the similar way, Pareto chart of the process input is produced.
Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join my Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside my Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, Agile and Scrum, Kaizen or continuous improvement, and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.